Indoda yase Limpopo isebenzisa imoto ezakhele ngezandla zayo ukufundisa ngeCOVID-19 umphakathi welokishi layo iNancefield eMusina. Lemoto ihlotshiswe ngezimpawu ze-coronavirus kanye namagama afundisa ngaleligciwane.
Lolu hlobo lwemoto olwakhiwe ngezandla alibalwa nemishini ephezulu kepha lizokushiya ubambo ngezansi. Ureki Moyo wachitha iminyaka emithathu yechwephesha lemoto yakhe. Ekuqaleni wayebeyisebenzisa ukudlulisa umlayezo malungana lokulondolozwa kwemvelo.
This was built out of scrap. There is nothing that I've bought new and I built it without not even a single cent. It's something that I was just picking up from the streets, from the dumping site, until I completed this project.
Kulandela ukubheduka kwe-coronavirus, uMoyo wazungeza ngale moto yakhe yokuzenzela uqwashisa ngaleligciwane. Selokhu kwaqala i-lockdown, lo mliso neminyaka ngama-55 onesitolo esincane usebenzisa le moto ukuhlomisa ngolwazi amakhasimende yakhe.
That is the message that I wrote here in order to show other people that around here where we are, there are some houses where there is no electricity at all. So some of the people they don't even hear or see what is happening around the world. So that is why I wrote this message, so that maybe if I've got a shop here around here in my yard, people when coming here, they can see the message onto them, the car.
Esikhathini esizayo, uMoyo uhlela ukwakha indiza enophephela emhlane.